Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. I have another car we're getting ready to put out. This is a 2013 Nissan Maxima. It's the S trim package on this. It does have black leather interior, sunroof in it. It's got some nice features, and it's a very inexpensive car, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead, we'll do a quick walk around. We'll go on the inside. You can see the dark tinted windows on this car. Walk around here on the back. There is plenty of room in the trunk. Let's go ahead and take a peek in there. Okay, we got the trunk open, and hopefully show you without too much sun intervention on this, but there's a lot of space back here. So we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side. I'll tell you what, those tinted windows really make this nice. The white on this really pop. And here you can see your sunroof. So let's go ahead and hop inside to show you the back. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Black leather interior. Show you the headliner up to the sunroof. It does have a manual shade you can pull. Now, one thing before we get up front, I wanted to show you on your side mirrors, you do have turn signals. And you do have power seats on both of your seats. Take a peek in here. We'll go ahead and hop inside, show you another view of your sunroof. You do have some controls here for your turn signal or your mirrors outside and window controls. You do have solid black interior for the door panels. Okay, we're on the inside, and I do have the car running. It actually lights up very nice inside. A couple cup holders here, armrest. The interior, the seats actually look to be in very good condition. Let me go ahead and show you the instrument cluster, your gauges here. You can see the mileage as of right now is 77,494 miles. And you do, now this car does have a push button start stop. You can see it right there. But you do have steering wheel controls. It does have Bluetooth connectivity. It will connect to your smartphone, take and receive and end phone calls here, volume up and down. You can hit these, actually change your stations on your radio. And we're going to go right here, and you're going to see additional cruise control settings here. And you've got your LCD display, heating, cooling control. It does have dual climate control. Get down to your audio system with the CD player. So very nice. Let's show you the back. Plenty of room in here. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2013 Nissan Maxima S trim package. As you can see, the black leather interior does have a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, so we have a lot of lenders ready to do some financing. So if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a phone call. Have a great day. Bye for now.